Downloading data from YouTube can be useful for various purposes, such as offline viewing or analysis. Here is a straightforward guide to help you through the process. Step 1. Choose a download tool. Select a reliable software or online service designed for downloading YouTube videos or data. Popular options include 4K Video Downloader, Y2D Video Downloader, or online services like SafeFromNet. Step 2. Copy the video URL. Go to YouTube and find the video you want to download. Click on the address bar of your browser to highlight the URL, then right-click and select Copy or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C+CMD+C on Mac. Step 3. Paste the URL into the download tool. Open your chosen download tool. Look for an option to paste the URL, usually indicated by a button or text box. Right-click in the box and select Paste or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+VCMD+V on Mac. Step 4. Select Download Options. After pasting the URL, the tool will typically provide options for video quality and format. Choose your preferred resolution and format such as MFA or MP3 based on your needs. Step 5. Start the download. Once you've selected your options, click the download button. The tool will begin downloading the video or data to your device. Wait for the process to complete, and then check your downloads folder for the file. By following these steps, you can easily download data from YouTube for personal use. Always remember to respect copyright laws and YouTube's terms of service when downloading content.